Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka West Gentle Hills District hakasan tarik jalio kalarakhe ka sngi penne pensa mariang neka World Environment Day halor kapang land restoration and beating plastic. Ya kajialang lapenlong ha district library auditorium Minthong Jowai hakajinon lang u Deputy Commissioner uba BS Solia IAS u Additional Deputy Commissioner and District Planning Officer uba FB Basan kumjo ki Assistant Commissioner uba S Phanbo batba WK Kharbuli upawan Ashok Khade IFS ki khana school kino hikai nalor kiwe hagajialang la sam kusnamru shiki khana school ki bala job hagajia kop shondur bat gajia kop yale kai chess and scrabble bala panya de district planning officer West Gentle Hills yakani kasngi la rakheru hashnong mushrat kabahap hapo ka last gain CNRD block bala shimenta da ki khana school bakino hikai jongka chan kalyang evergreen LP school dagajing thong ki khathandru tali gitan rai di haki saudong saukun jongka school ka office jong range forest officer social forestry range shangpum klarakhe ka World Environment Day hasauling do higher secondary school mukayau kumjo ka office u superintendent of police West Gentle Hills district ru klarakhe ka ni kasngi halor ka phang ekpet ma kana dakbaki officer bat kinong trai kila shimenta ka jingthong ding hap halau jongka jowai police station daga jingthmu bane khun persha yaka global warming.
I would prefer to call this day we greet each other with a resolution and with the hope that it's going to be the next year's World Environment Day 2025 will be that we can feel the impact of from today till World Environment Day 2025, that all of us have contributed by whatever way we can, that we know of, that what we have to do. I don't have to go to the details anymore. We've had excellent speeches from the speakers who spoke before me. My only suggestion, a plea, and to you is we shall continue and we shall do what we've heard the speakers before me talk about and take it to heart. The lights have come on. As soon as I resume my seat, we shall request HK Singh to complete the presentation and also not liberty to give the presentation. Every locality, if we have this plan, and that is every locality, the young people of that locality, whoever the locality chooses, there'll be a place in that locality. It'll be a small place. All we need is a small place. We'll call it a waste recovery center. So the biodegradables, you can dig pits. We'll do vermicomposting, make organic manure out of it. Then you can use it to plant your plants in the locality. The plastics you gather in that place. And there is an unseen market out there that people come. They actually come to buy the plastic. So this concept of waste to wealth can be happening. If the plastic can be gathered in one place in a locality, in one place, the young people of the locality will collect from door to door, put it in one place. Then these people from outside, they will come, they will buy the plastic, they will pay, and that payment will be paid to the people who have helped to gather the plastic from each and every house. It's a very simple thing. And then we also have this elaborate plan, I don't know for how long if we can do it. Like for example, if a shopkeeper sells chips, a packet of chips to somebody, he will say, if you return 5 empty packets to me, I will give you 2 rupees. He will sell those empty packets to those recyclers. He will also earn money because the recycling and of plastics especially is a big industry. We are not aware. Most of us have not. We don't think that far. But actually, it's a big industry. We'll have to tap on this. I appeal that also we have to think of this. Look, I'm sure I will not be DC here forever. There'll be other DCs who come after me. But my message is this: we can start with this. The people, you will be here for quite a while. The locality leaders will be here for quite a while. But this idea is already sold. This idea is already in their heads, in their soul.